Now how it is? Can now I hope my voice is clear. I'm sure my voice is clear, I guess. Okay, okay, thank you. It's okay, fine. Let's open the running notes and let's move on. Topic is so-called as a 21 and one hot encoding with ML we already done. Continuation topic is called as a R value. And the next one will be logistic regression. What regression, sir? Logistic regression, especially binary I'm talking. I will tell you what do you mean by binary, what do you mean by other, I will tell you. Fine. Let's open material. Okay, this theory, these are all things I covered, but anyway, let me give a small recap actually. First of all, let me talk about, especially I'm talking about linear regression. I'm talking about what exactly mean? Linear regression. When you're talking about the data, linear data, the next one, non-linear data. Sir, if the data is linear, apply linear regression. Apply what exactly? Linear regression. Then if the data is not linear actually, then don't apply. Don't what exactly? Apply linear regression. First to check the data. First what exactly? Check the data actually. How the data it is shaped. How the shape it is actually. Fine then. Here is a point. If the data is linear, if the data is linear, means to say that, say that columns having the relationship in between. Am I right? Can I talk with the same, right? Columns having what exactly, sir? Relationship, relationship in between the columns actually. Columns having the relationship in between. That's it. Right. Now here is a story. How to find the relation? How to find? Sorry. Is it somebody is telling last session data set I didn't upload it? Am I right? Hmm? What data set actually? Which one? Home price. Okay. I'm sorry for this. Then sorry for this, sir. I can upload today. I can upload today actually. And thanks for reminder. Remaining actually. Okay. Move on. How to find the relationship? How to find what exactly relationship? Any idea how to find? By using correlation, also called as a R, also called as what exactly? R. Fine then. Now it's the right time. I will do one thing. R value I'm talking, correlation. We already know very well. Correlation having the two values, those are all values. What are the values you know, sir? Chaptara? Values -1 to +1. -1 to what exactly? +1. Right. Imagine when you're talking about, so there is a two columns. There is a two columns actually. We done R value. We have calculated R value. We have calculated what exactly R value. Then R value we got a 0.9. Then strong relation. What relation, sir? Strong relation. A kind of some not string. Strong relationship actually. That's what you need to be understand. Then there are two columns again. Daniel, we calculated R value. We have calculated what exactly, sir? Calculated R value. Same? Sure, sir. Me too, sir. Around 6:15. Yeah, sure. Online team, hold on. We have an offline admin here. I'm talking with admin actually. Thank you. Imagine the value will be 0.2. Sir, weak relation. What relation actually? Weak relation. Then there are two columns. Then we have calculated R value. We have calculated what value actually? R value. Once we done calculated R value, then we got like almost 0.0. Tell me. That's what you need to be understand. Now here is the story. Daniel, do you calculate manually? Question will be, do we need to calculate? Need to what exactly, sir? Calculate manually? Calculate manually. No, never. We never do actually manually. The answer will be no, boss. So we need to call method. We need to call what exactly? Method. Now I'm entering into the discussion. Get ready. Theory is over. I hope last week only I need to run this example. You can check heat map also, sir. There are many ways. Karthik Sarji, you can check heat map also. Okay. Fine. This theory you need to walk through. We already done. And I will jump into directly example actually. Ensure that make a note on this. Calculate the R value. Now look at the, so I hope this example you already know. On x-axis I am taking area and y-axis I am taking what exactly? Number of rice packets actually. Then, whenever you are plotting the data, you can look at the graph actually. The data is traveling to upwards direction. What direction? Then there is a positive relationship. There is a, that too, you need to make a note. The data is traveling like a line shape. What shape actually? Line. Then there is a strong relation. There is a, imagine algorithm itself is not required. Next data point being a human, I can do prediction. Next data point can be here actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Good. That's what you need to be understand. Now, see, here these are all numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 20, 30, 40. Looks like a normal data. But when you plot, you will understand clearly, okay, data having relation. The data is talking each other 110, 220, 330 actually. That's what we need to do. Okay. Now let's just try to create an example for this. We'll get an idea. Good image, man. Good image actually. This is not required. Create a dictionary. Yeah, we are creating dictionary. Once the dictionary is being create a data frame. Now let us just try to create a data frame. That one also we are doing, sir. Both steps I am going to help actually. Siddiq Sarji, both I am going to draw. Yeah, the data frame we are going to create. Prepare input and output actually in our example. Yeah, the data frame is ready. Now I have prepared x equals to area dot values and y equals to rice yields dot what exactly values. Now it's a right time. We need to call what we are going to call, sir, x label, y label, scatter plot. And you can just try to create a visualization. You will get an idea. Rice packs. Okay, let's run it. Good man. Let me tell you, this one is a raw data. This one is what data, sir? Raw data. From this data, successfully we have created a diagram. Successfully we have created what exactly, sir? Diagram. This one is the data. We have taken this data and we have created a diagram. Now you can easy to understand. You know, the data is traveling in a upward direction. What direction, sir? Confirmation, there is a relation. I wanted to know the value. I mean, if you know the value, you can tell very strong relation or weak relation or average relation. You can talk these are all things actual. Okay. Now let us just try to plotting the data. Make a note on this. The next one will be, yeah, get ready, sir. Here is the story you need to be understand. I'm sorry. Make a note on this. One small important point. The point will be, sir, inside data frame, you do have input and output actually. You do have what exactly, sir? Input and output. By using the data frame, there is a one method. Method name is called as a correlation. But though pandas also follows the shortest notation CORR. Method name is what exactly? But we need to pronounce correlation. We need to pronounce. We need to call a method. You need to call what exactly? Method. Then Daniel, why you are passing this one? I just wanted to create a correlation with respect to the target variable. With respect to what variable? Target variable actually, right? Without this one also we can see, you will get to know what all exactly it is happening. Daniel, let us just have to create a data frame, we already know, and you can just have to call a method. Yeah, let me just have to call a method. Result equals to df dot corr, then print the result. Okay, print the result. Understand this. You will get output like this, man. Good. Column name also area, column name also rice packs. Row name also area, I mean row name also rice packs actually, rice hills. Sir, same column, always having strong relation. I myself having more confidence actually. Same column, with respect to the same column, having what relation? Strong. But let me tell you, area with respect to the rice packets actually, sir, very strong relation. Correlation, did you remember what is the correlation value? 1. Sir, directly you are getting one value. Means to say that, you know, input and output having very strong relation. Very strong actual. Out of 100% it is giving guarantee. I'm sure it is having relationship actually. Okay. Now, any idea what is a CORR actually? Correlation, a kind of some method. Now go back to the math. On an average, I have explained 1 kilometer formula actually. A very big formula. But you no need to define. Just you can call a method and you know, calculation it will be done automatically. That's what you need to be understand. Okay. Now make a note on this. We are calling correlation method. We are checking. All right. The next one will be, what is the next one, you know, sir? With respect to rice seals also you can cross verify. But maybe the output is not this one. I mean, output is one only, but we'll see. The output can be differ or what. You can apply shorting with respect to rice packs. Students are area with respect to the, you know, output you are getting 1.0. Rice packets with respect to, you know, input also you are getting what exactly mean? One value. I mean, conclusion of the story, both columns having the very strong relationship each other. Both columns having very strong what exactly, sir? Relationship each other. So the result is 1.0. So we can confirm that there is a strong relationship actually. So we can apply linear regression. This is the confirmation. I can proceed for linear regression. Now listen the question. Previously, the question will be, can I apply regression wherever I want actually? No. This is the question. Can we apply regression everywhere? No, no, no. If there is a relation between the column, then only you can apply. If there is no relationship in between the columns actually, then don't apply linear regression. Don't apply linear regression. That's what you need to be understand. Okay. Now look at the data. So now I'm going to take some irrelevant data. I'm sorry, sir. I'm going to take some irrelevant data. That irrelevant in the sense, there is no relation in between an output actually, in between input and output. What is the input value? 600. Output is a 5,50,000. Input is 3,000. 5,65,000. Input is at 2. What is the value? Kind of some random values I have taken. What value, sir? Let us just have to find out the relation, sir. Almost the value will be 0.0. What is the value? 0.0 means no relation. If no relation, can I apply linear regression? This is the confirmation. This is the confirmation, right? First to create a data frame. Ayo, sir, look at my screen. Maybe here, unfortunately, there is a space. I don't know. Then here you need to delete that space. Am I right? Otherwise, you will get a key error. What error? Kada? Key error actually. Now let us just have to print this. Sir, let me tell you, with respect to the A, the target variable, target variable with respect to the target on an average 1. If you want, we'll do one thing. Let us delete this one actually. Then you will get a more clarity. Like a matrix form, you can understand very clearly. Now make a note on this one. A, with respect to the A, always 100% guarantee. But input with respect to the output, we need to identify. What is the relation, sir? What is the value? 0.0. Either when it comes to 0.0, positive or negative doesn't matter. Am I right or not, sir? Then, sir, no relation. No relation, no linear regression. We are finding the correlation. Make a note on this. Yeah, make a note on this. So we can confirm that there is no relationship, Daniel. So we cannot apply linear regression algorithm on top of this variable. Even if you apply, then we'll get a wrong prediction. We'll get what prediction, sir? Till now, are you clear, everybody? Online team, I need a response from you also. Come on, please respond somebody. Then first I will do one thing. Maybe that was my mistake. First, let me upload the data set. Session is not yet over. Though I am uploading the material, session is over. No. Mostly, that's what, sir. At last, I need your help. While I'm uploading the material, please don't sleep actually. Right? Look at my screen. What is the data set? Any idea? Home prices 2. Okay. so-called material, go to the machine learning, all price, home prices 2, home prices 2, here it is. 1 or 2 on a minute. 2, okay. Done. Thank you. We done this topic. I can come here, I can change the status as we done. Then next I need to continue with logistic regression. Logistic regression. So let's close this topic. Cost function. What is the topic name? Such an interesting topic, sir. Siddiq Sarji, if no relation, maybe you can just try to, we can bring to relation also by applying some techniques. Imagine if there is a non-linear data. By applying few techniques, you can make it linear actual. You can make it what exactly, sir? Linear. Those are all techniques we can talk. Best example, go to the polynomial regression. In a data, non-linear data, what data actually? Then on top of that, we applied polynomial feature. Then indirectly, we brought a kind of some extra features we have created. Then now we can say there is a relation with the existing columns and created columns actually. With the existing columns and what exactly, sir? Created column. Yes, there is a relation. You applied square, you applied cube, yeah. Cost function is the running topic. And after cost function, what is the next topic, sir? The next topic will be regression cost function. Chaptara? Regression cost function. We have our material as usual. Let's open the material. Sir, nice theory. This topic is important. First of all, forget about the theory. Did you remember? My voice is little slow. I know. You can just have to take the ML flow. Good. Now take this ML flow. Keep it here. Did you remember one word actually? What is that word? Today you are going to understand. What is that cost function, Daniel? Why that cost function came? These are all ML algorithm actually. Decent, so algorithm. That is okay. Let us make it like short so that you can understand very quickly. Sir, the moment, let me tell you, whenever you are especially calling fit method, model dot what method actually? Fit method. The process behind is the hidden process. Behind what exactly it is happening is the hidden process. But backend machine learning algorithm is calling one more topic. The topic name is so called as a cost function. What is the topic name? Cost function. Again, cost function will call gradient descent algorithm. Again, cost function will call what topic, sir? Gradient descent algorithm. Okay. Again, the cost function will call gradient descent algorithm. Ultimately, gradient descent algorithm ensure that What exactly ensure that, accuracy is increasing? Talk with me, sir. Accuracy is what exactly? Increasing. Accuracy is going down, going up actually. What about the error in the sense? What exactly, sir? Reducing. That's what it is going to happen. Behind there is a process. Let me tell you what is that actually. Okay. We know these steps very well. Model dot fit method. Model dot what method actually? Model dot fit method. The moment whenever you are calling this model dot fit method, now get ready. Calling actually. But here is a story. Backend process is hidden. Backend process is what exactly, sir? Is hidden. Hidden in the sense, I can say invisible. Talk with me, sir. We cannot see that. We cannot see in machine learning. In ML, I mean to say in ML actually. But let me tell you, in DL we can see. In DL, we can see the backend process. We can see the what exactly, sir? Backend process actually. If you want, let me show you one small example. You will get a more clarity actually. And I have one small question for you. Can you tell me the ML flow? ML flow చెప్తారా? Everybody talk with me. Data frame. The next one, feature engineering. The next one, array data. The next one, ML algorithm. The next one, cost function, gradient descent algorithm. This words is important. Increase accuracy. Okay. The next one is reduce error. When I say reduce error, think like reduce error. Error also having a one more word. That word is called as a loss. What is that word, sir? Loss. I mean loss actually. In machine learning technology, error also having one more name. That name is called as a loss. Let me show you practically. Both are different, sir. Both are not same. Right? I will talk actually. Let me tell you. Let me show you. So let me explain. Let me run deep learning example. Deep learning is such a quite interesting, sir. Deep learning example, you will get a clarity. In deep learning example, we can see accuracy is growing actually. Accuracy is increasing. The next one will be error will be reduced. When I say error, loss will be reduced actually. Will be reduced. Keep on the process is happening actually. Let me run the deep learning example. Give me few minutes time. As of now, don't focus on this example, but give me few minutes time. Just a few minutes is enough. Why? Because I can simply copy paste actually. But let me tell you, you don't know deep learning, but you can recognize the total code actually. What is going on? Okay, alright then. First neural network with Keras. This example I'm looking for. Any idea what is sequential? Class. How can you say? Uppercase letter. What do you mean by dense? Deep learning fundamentals. These are all. Nothing is there, sir. The day one onwards, I am telling be strong in Python. If you are strong in Python, these are all things you can understand very easily. Yeah, this one is loading the data set. Don't worry what is going on. What is going on, don't worry at all actually. Just try to see. Data preparation. Daniel, we are going to create a model. Model name is so called as a sequential. Creating the layers actually. Adding layers to the model. Now you can just have to compile the model. Trust me, these are all you will become expert actually. Sir, in deep learning also fit method. What method actually? Fit method. Fit method. Fit means model training. Now here is the story, man. I am repeating again. Whenever you are talking about machine learning, the accuracy is increasing, error is reducing, hidden process. You cannot see. But in deep learning, you can see. Deep learning, they made it like, invisible actually. They made it like what exactly, sir? Visible. Daniel, we wanted to see Daniel. Come on, otherwise, come on, sir. Let me run the example. Get ready, man. Py, run the code actually. చూడండి ఇక్కడ మీకు. Deep learning example, it is not like other example. It takes some time to run. Backend, how it is running, the progress you can see. Please come, sir. Hold on, sir. We'll go for coffee meanwhile, actually. Okay. System too slow. This is so-called system. My personal laptop run like horse, actually. Horse. Yeah, cinema started actually. Children, sir. Cinema started. Try to see here. There is a word. That word will be accuracy. Try to observe. It is increasing. Loss. It is decreasing. Like English movie, right? Titles ala padtu eluptunnayi. Sir, are you able to see the last? Accuracy and what exactly? Loss. Now that out of total 150 iteration, you are in 110, 120, 130. Keep on, accuracy is increasing. Loss is decreasing. This is happen in the backend actually. Even in a machine learning, whenever you are calling fit method, accuracy is what happening, sir? Increasing. Accuracy is increasing. Error is, let me tell you, once go back to my father example. Before training, zero knowledge, sir. Error is 100 actually. If you are having zero knowledge, mean to say that big error, big mistake actually. Then once my father started training, automatically my knowledge levels are started increasing. Means to say accuracy levels are started increasing. Once the training is moving on, error levels will be what exactly, sir? Decrease actually. That's what you need to get a clear picture. Are you with me? Now here, accuracy is increasing, error is reducing. Backend there is a one topic. The topic take care actually. The topic name is called as a cost function. What function? Let me talk about the cost function. Deep learning is awesome. Siddiq Sarji, yeah. Same data in the sense, from our regular data only, existing data only, it will take actually. So here you can see accuracy value, here you can see loss value actually. Okay. So this is about the deep learning example anyway, you no need to understand as of now. Why? Because separate sessions would have moved the session. Now talk with me. What is the topic name? Cost function. Sir, such a quite interesting. Cost functions also called as the loss functions. In machine, just now I told actually. Cost function, it is having the separate name. That name is also called as a loss function in a machine learning. These are optimization techniques. These are, one more time, these are optimization. What do you mean by optimization? Let me talk with you. These are optimization techniques. There are many cost functions in machine learning. This point I can talk later actually. This one let me explain actually. Tim, what do you mean by optimization? Best example, you are just trying to traveling, so in a HYD location, during HYD location especially, let me talk about KBHP location. When I'm talking about KBHP location, Morning after 9, after what exactly, sir? 9 a.m. After 8 a.m. After 8 a.m. actually, after 8 a.m. And the next one will be after 4 p.m. After what exactly? 4 p.m. Do you know about the traffic levels actually? Very high levels. Why? Because morning after a.m. school bus will start actually. Employees will start. Everyone will come to the road actually. Now here is the story. What do you mean by optimization? Sir, I started my bike. I started what exactly? My bike. My bike actually. Now let me tell you, my bike, the capacity will be 100 kilometers per hour also I can travel. Very speed I can go actually. But during traffic level, I should know very well when to go fast, when I need to apply brake, when to go speed, when to go slow. That is called as a optimization technique. Machine learning algorithm knows very clearly, cost function, it will make it very clear. Sir, accuracy is supposed to be increase. Error is supposed to be decrease. That is called as optimization. Backend it takes care actually. That is one of the example. That is called as what exactly, sir? Optimization. Let me tell you one more example. One more example actually. What is that example? Example number 1. Then can you talk about the optimization? I will tell you, sir. Let me talk about my MCA. Sir, I joined in the year of 2007. I joined my MCA. I joined my MCA. I hope college name, these are all not required. But Newton's Engineering College. Newton's Engineering College from especially Guntur. Guntur, Macharla district. These are all blah, blah, blah. Not required actually. Okay. Sir, let me talk about the first semester. Let me talk about what exactly first semester actually. In a first semester, what happened, on an average in my hand, from morning plus evening actually, 4 hours free time. How long time free time actually? 4 hours free time. So this free time I should use effectively to get a good score. To get a, but here is the story. What happened, sir? Frankly speaking, day number 1. Day number 1. I like cricket very well. Frankly speaking, so cricket actually. Those days Shavag is there actually. Until Shavag retired, I like cricket very well. After Shavag retired actually, I stopped watching. You can't believe. Recent matches also I didn't watch. But recently Shavag's son is coming. I need to restart, I guess actually. Are you with me? Sorry for kidding. Cricket, the next one will be study hours. What exactly study hours actually? Good. Day number 1. Sir, literally I spend total 4 hours actually for cricket. 0 hours is the study. Next one will be day number 2. 3.5 hours actually. 3.5 hours completely playing cricket on an average 30 minutes actually. How long time, sir? 30 minutes. The whole process is the same, sir. Total till to the last semester actually. Till to the last semester. D1, next one will be D2, D3, and D4, and D5. And sometimes here, I don't know, I feel more, I wanted to play more actually. And here again, it is what exactly, sir? 0 minutes actually. Now it's the right time, you need to be understand. Sir, exam time. What time actually? If you didn't study properly, during exam, we'll get a tension actually. Am I right, sir? I feel little tension. Little tensed actually. Little tensed. I don't know how I have written exam. Exams are done. Then what is the next step? Quite interesting, sir. Results actually. Sir, results, thank God I passed actually. I pass, all pass, all subjects pass actually. All subjects, what exactly, pass. But let me tell you, that day I feel like literally I wasted my time. Conclusion of the story, I got average mark actually. What mark actually? First of all, that is okay. I feel so happy. I qualified actually. Sir, this is the realization point for me. Now I am planning to apply optimization technique. What technique actually? Get ready to understand. Semester number 2, same process. Semester number 2, second sem actually. Second semester. Tell me, how many hours? 4 hours. Morning 2 hours and evening 2 hours. I do have a free time. Remaining all, like I need to go to the college, and evening time after 8 actually we need to prepare the dinner in a rooms we used to stay around 4 members actually. Then no time, only 4 hours actually. After school, I'm sorry, after college and before college we would have a 2 hours time. If you are habituated for anything, don't stop immediately. Imagine if I stop Suddenly cricket, what happened, sir? Frankly speaking, your brain cannot work actually. We are all humans. This is the psychological feeling actually. Let me tell you, first today, it's okay, whatever it happened, let us play the 4 hours cricket actually, 0 hours again. But while I'm playing the cricket, there is a little tense. Why? Because, thank God, first semester I passed actually. If I have a 2 to 3, I have a backlog also. In third semester, I have a backlog, DBMS. What is the subject? I cleared in fifth semester actually. Sir, you can't believe I'm average student in academic actually. But let me tell you, in terms of technical, no one never touch actually. I mean, so after I done my academic, I was very serious about my career. Then I was very serious learner actually. That too, I got a good path. My seniors, they guided me in such a way that these are all by God grace actually. Anyway, day number 2. Sir, I don't know. Literally in my heart, I feel like, let us play only 3 hours actually. And 1 hour I started for what exactly, sir? Study. Okay, good. Now day number 3. The same thing happened 2.5 hours actually. Now talk with me, sir. 1.5 hour. What exactly, sir? A study actually. Now the problem with is, sir, if I started studying 1.5 hour, friends are there. What they will do? Oh, you started preparation. These comments are very common, kada? సడన్ గా నువ్వు ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వు, మనం ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వడం చూస్తే ఫ్రెండ్స్ కన్నా చూస్తే ఎలా ఉంటుందో తెలుసా? ఓ యూ స్టార్టెడ్. అయ్యో సారీ సార్ sir, almost the day number 10, last day actually, what exactly happened? Just to 30 minutes, just what exactly 30 minutes, and the next one will be 3.5 hours. 3.5 hours, what exactly, sir? Hours actually. Now I reached in position in such a way that even if I didn't play cricket also, that is fine for me. Can I ask a question? What I increased, sir? What I decreased actually? Frankly speaking, it is called as optimization technique. Ultimately, why I done this technique actually? To get a good marks, let me tell you, when you can say your model is really very good, cost function takes care in such a way that accuracy is supposed to be good, error supposed to be reduced. Sir, playing cricket is a error in my career actually. That is error in my career. Because of that one, I was unable to study. Then slowly by slowly, what I done, sir? Error reduced actually. Then automatically, చెప్పండి సార్ ఏం జరిగింది? Yeah, study hours increased actually. Now this is called as what exactly, So think like, if any cricket lovers actually don't misunderstand me, the error is reduced automatically. What happens, sir? Talk with me. Accuracy increases. This is called as a optimization technique. What technique? Let me explain one more example. Such a nice example. First of all, what I'm talking, the whole discussion will be, tell me, sir, optimization technique. What optimize? Online team, are you clear till now? These are all examples you can never get anywhere, sir. Like a theory, I know, but you can understand very easily. These are all. Next example. Only team, I need one response. Meanwhile, let me drink water. Are you following everyone? Somebody? Yeah. Team, I still remember in my 6th standard, we would have a during schooling. During what exactly, sir? Schooling. We have a breaks. We have what exactly, sir? Kind of some breaks actually. On an average, the break time will be how long time? 15 minutes. How long time, sir? 20 minutes. 20 minutes actually. 20 minutes. We have a small break. Kind of some eatable things actually. Snacks. These are all things. During that time, what we used to do, during that time, I have some friends. Let us take Daniel. The next one will be Vasu. The next one, Keshava actually. Kesava. 3 members. Sir, you know what? Nearby there are trees. Nearby there are some trees actually. What trees? Any guessing? Mango. What is the season actually? Yeah, come on, sir. Come on. Yeah, 1 minute. Online team. We have an admin actually. We have admin with us. And let me get an update actually. The update will be, just try to, we are in admin presence actually. Make a note on this one. Next to 5 to 10 minutes, let me hold the session. Hold actually. I'm just going to hold the session. Everybody, we have to open Google Classroom. Google Classroom. You can find the link actually. Everybody please open feedback link, and you have to provide the feedback actually based on admin suggestion. So this I'm not collecting the feedback. Naresh Shetty side, admin they are collecting the feedback. Please, the session hold for 5 to 10 minutes. Please, everybody open. Online team also. Yeah. Online team, please. This is on high priority. First of all, thank you for cooperation. Online team, are you doing actually? Who are all done? Yeah, please. Who are all done? Kindly please specify your status. Rishi sir, thank you. If you need any help, actually, let us know. Sir, Rajesh Garu, help kavala? Okay. Online team, are you done? Only few responses I got actually. Don't worry, take your time. Last of 5 minutes, would you have? Charan sir, thank you. Reshma ma'am, thank you so much. Karim sir ji and Piyush sir, thank you. What about others? It's okay. Offline team, are you done, everyone? Yeah, it's okay, sir. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Online team, thank you so much. Yeah. Let's move on. Where are we, sir? What we're doing actually? I'm talking about optimization, right? Yeah. Maybe I thought to explain one small example. The example will be, go back, let me give a small recap. The topic will be, uh, currently we are discussing about the topic which is so called as a cost function. Machine learning algorithm and cost function both are best friends. And machine learning algorithm always talks with cost function. The moment whenever you are calling fit method, ML algorithm will take the mobile. ML algorithm will type the cost function number actually. Now they can have a conversation each other. Like that, if I'm comparing like this, you can feel comfortable. Okay. Machine learning algorithm and cost function both are what exactly? Best of friends. Have you seen Solar movie? Same thing like that actually. Right. Now it is called as a optimization technique. What technique actually? What do you mean by optimization? I already covered one example. Like in my semester exam. Let me cover one more example. This is so much fun, sir. When I was in 6th standard, 6 to 10, during the schooling, we'd have a breaks. Even I hope you also having. For eatable things, around some 20 minutes actually. Lunch break is different. Normal breaks is different. During that time, Daniel, Vasu, Keshwa, we are best friends, man. We three guys are, I'm sorry for saying, kind of some best friends, also called as a three idiots actually. I'm sorry for saying, right? We used to do a kind of some naughty things actually. Sir, nearby, there are some, for every season, seasonal trees we are very near actually. The school is outskirts. There are some orange trees, guava trees, and mango trees we do have actually. Sir, now let me tell you what exactly happened, sir, during mango trees. Here is the story. I'm planning to draw one diagram, so please don't laugh actually. Ayyo. Sir, my system got stuck, sir. Let me draw. So think like this is a kind of some mango tree starting position. And let me just try to take, there is a mango. Please don't laugh, sir. Okay. And this one is kind of what exactly, mango tree standing, so something like this. Now, can I ask a question? What is this one? Mango, right? Now, here is a story. Almost to three members. The first one will be Daniel. The next one will be, out of all members, I'm very, very height person actually. Good. My height is very high, right? Let me tell you, first I got an opportunity. My friends told, you take first chance. You take what exactly, sir? First chance. Who hits the mango, we need to share. Everybody, we need to share actually. Good. Sir, I got a first chance actually. Now I have taken stone. I have taken what exactly, sir? Stone. That stone I have thrown like this. Sir, the stone went into this direction actually. Stone went into this direction. Now, can you tell me? My first attempt failed. My first attempt? Make a note on this one. Okay. First attempt failed, sir. Attempt number one. Attempt number one. Literally failed actually. But let me tell you, I understand my mistake. What mistake, sir? My speed is very high actually. Speed is something like the The stone speed will be on an average 100 kilometers per hour. Think like that actually. 100 actually. The next one will be angle also. A kind of some what exactly, sir? Angle also. I can say 120 degrees actually. Think like. Though I like math actually, little math I done. Sir, the next point will be. I asked to my friends, can you give me one more chance? They are first of all they will laugh actually. Am I right or not, sir? Then I got a one more chance. Sir, I have taken one more chance and I thrown the stone actually. The stone went into now this direction. Now I can say second attempt also failed, sir. But let me tell you, compared to the first attempt, second attempt is what exactly? Somewhat good. Here is the point you need to understand. Now, when I'm throwing the stone in the second attempt, what exactly I done? I applied optimization technique. I applied what technique? Optimization actually. Daniel, here also optimization. Yeah, yes, was. Sir, you need to understand like this. Then you never forget the topics in your lifetime actually. Sir, attempt 2 also failed. But I never worried actually. I learned from failure. You have to learn from your failure actually. Then the speed, I understand. Hey Daniel, I just need to reduce. What I reduced, on an average, I have reduced it to 80. Then the angle also I changed it, sir. A kind of some angle also I changed it actually. A kind of some, chappan, sir, 90. 140, yeah. It's okay. Let us just say to make it like a 70. That is okay. Attempt 2 also failed. Attempt 2 also, chappan, sir, first attempt failed. Second attempt failed. I requested my friends, last option. Otherwise, I will go actual. Otherwise, I will what exactly, sir? Go. Sir, my friends have given another option. Now, what happened, sir? Talk with me. Direct hit actually. Direct what exactly? Hit actually. Now we got a mango. We got what exactly? Mango. Now, third attempt, what happened? Chappan. Third attempt, what exactly? I got a success. I got what exactly? Success. Now the speed. Now the speed. The speed will be, I can say, 60 value. Now the angle will be how much angle I can, so on an average something like a 55 actually. Now I have a question for you. Total how many attempts? 3 attempts actually. How many attempts I have failed actually? 2 attempts. But let me tell you, because of these failures only, frankly speaking, I got a success. I understand what are all the best parameters. What are all best parameters? While eating the mango, my friends and my discussion will be, I have applied this much speed, I have applied this much angle. That are all right parameters. That are all. Now this is called as the optimization technique, sir. What technique actually? That's what you need to be understand. Cost function also will do the same thing actually. Now let me explain more on technical. Did you understand this example? Like a fun example, please don't mind. But if I compare like this, you can understand very quickly. Online team, I hope you got a clear picture, sir. I know that is not a mango tree. These are all theory. These are all theory. I will just try to read. Hold on. Yeah, I told right. These images are highly recommended. You have to look at the images very carefully. Left hand side machine learning algorithm. Right hand side cost function. Right hand side what exactly? Cost function. The moment whenever you are calling the fit method, sir, fit method having the training data. Talk with me. Fit method having. Fit method having. Now, machine learning algorithm will start do prediction from fit method data. The moment whenever you are giving the training data set, machine learning algorithm will start doing prediction. Will start doing what exactly? Prediction. If you want, I will tell you one small example I can take actually, so that for your better understanding. Okay. Now hold on. Let us take a data one. Sir, I am trying my best to explain. If you are unable to understand this one, gone case actually. Area, rice packs. Sir, this one is a original value. What value? Original value. Original value. Then ML algorithm will do the prediction. Then here is the error value. Here is what value? Error value. Error value will be calculated by cost function. Error value will be calculated by cost function actually. Now here is the story. First one, 1, Daniel 10. The next one, 2, 20. 3, 30. 4, 40. right? Model dot fit method of you are providing here area and you are providing here what exactly, sir? Chappan sir, rice packs. Rice packs actually. The moment whenever you are calling fit method, machine learning algorithm, what exactly it will do, you know, sir? First of all, it will come to first row. What is the first row? 1, 10. ML algorithm never look at the output actually. ML algorithm will take area for 1. How much rice packets it will be? It will do start doing prediction actually. It will do prediction. Maybe I can say, can I say 100 actually? It's done prediction for 100, it done prediction. For 1 acre, how much prediction it is done? Now, this prediction value, it will give to the cost function. It will give to a cost function, you know. I done prediction for 1 acre. Can you please validate my prediction is right or wrong actually? Can you please validate my prediction is what exactly right or wrong? Cost function will take that error and cost function will tell, sir, the difference is 90. The difference is what exactly? Now you are having the error. You are having what exactly? Error. Now ML algorithm will take that error. Next time it understand it got error because of the backend coefficient intercept value. It will try to change the small values actually. In a next prediction for input 2, it will do the prediction for 80. It will do the prediction for what exactly? 80. Now tell me the error value. Tell me, sir. 60. Now ML algorithm will give for 2 I done prediction 80. Can you do let me know my error actually? I'm repeating again. Cost function never tell directly the output to the ML algorithm actually. Now look at the diagram. I'm pretty sure you will get a clarity actually. In a first iteration, ML algorithm done. Hey, cost function, how are you? What are you? Are you done breakfast? These are all discussion over actually. It will give prediction. Boss, my prediction value will be the Chapandi 50. It is giving to whom actually, sir? Chapandi? Cost function. Now, cost function is telling prediction is very poor, boss. Worst prediction. It is calling ML algorithm. First of all, do you know how to do the prediction? It is calling actually. You done worst prediction. Then ML algorithm will ask, it's okay. I will try my best actually. And ML cost function knows only actual value, but cost function never tell directly actual. This is something like hide and seek game, sir. What game actually? You know what? Sometimes our parents never tell directly with us actually. There are some actual things they never say with us, but we need to find out actually. Are you with me? Now, cost function will give error value. Now I have a small question for you. Machine learning algorithm will give prediction value to the cost function. Cost function will give what exactly, sir? Error value to the back actual. Error value to back. Okay, here is the story. Can you tell me what is error value? 150, very big error. Go to the next iteration. Okay, machine learning algorithm will do analysis. 150 means very big error. I need to reduce the error. To reduce that error, don't worry, machine learning algorithm backend, it will try to change small coefficient and intercept value. Did you remember, sir, coefficient intercept value? Because of that coefficient intercept values only, we got a big error actually. Then it will do small change actually. Then it can just try to do the prediction one more time. Okay. Move to the next iteration. Iteration number 2, epoch. You can also call it as a epoch actually. A cost function. Verify my prediction. Previously, what is the prediction? 50. Now, what is the prediction? 120. Cost function is telling, yeah, tell me the word actually. Better. But previously, poor prediction. Now, for best example, go for my hitting mango actually. Look at this one. Sir, first attempt I failed actually. I understand where I failed. Now I slowly updated the parameters. Speed parameter I updated actually. The next one, whenever you are traveling your bike, accelerator and brake you need to apply in a such a way that actually. Are you with me or not, sir? You need to be balanced, right? Now, can I ask a question? What is the previous error? Previous error ento cheptara? 150. Now, what is the current error actually? What is the current error, sir? 80. Very good. Now, machine learning algorithm is understanding. Sir, I have a question for you. Accuracy is supposed to be increase. Error supposed to be decrease. This process keep on happen actually. Now, who is the guider for ML algorithm? Can you tell me? Now, let me reveal the secret. For us, our brain is guide for us actually. What your brain is telling, you can do automatically. For machine learning algorithm, the brain is a cost function. ML algorithm brain is what exactly? Cost function will guide a ML algorithm do like this. You done worst prediction, boss. Take this error. You done worst prediction. Take this error. You done good prediction. Take this error. Take this error. Machine learning algorithm and cost function discussion will be always prediction and error discussion. What discussion? Prediction and error discussion actually. I have a question for you. ML algorithm will give what value to the cost function? Prediction value. Cost function will return. Make a note. This point is very, very important actually. These two always talk like, this is my prediction, this is my error. This is my prediction, this is my error actually. Good. The process keep on happen, sir. In between the error value change also, don't worry. The keep on it happen. Previously very poor prediction actually. Now the better prediction. In between, if error increase also, don't worry. A kind of some error again increased actually. It's very close. It is telling your prediction will be 170. Sir, what is actual value chaptara? 200. Now more the last slide. This is awesome actually. Make a note on this one. Make a note. Sir, almost this one is the fourth attempt. Go back. My hitting the mango. Third attempt I got a success actually. Machine learning algorithm keep on training with the data. It is understanding the data. It is started doing prediction. Now it's done prediction for one input value. What is the actual output actually? 200. Prediction output is what exactly? 191. Sir, initially what is error value? Very big error. But now what is error value? 9. Cost function, what it is telling? Prediction is highly very good. You're almost very good doing prediction actually. Indirectly, cost function is guiding to whom actually chaptara leda? Machine learning algorithm. That's what you need to be understand. For machine learning algorithm, the brain is the cost function. The brain is what exactly, sir? Cost function. Make a note on this one, right? Very good. Very good. How many times it will go, son? Good question. Then I need to show you one small diagram actually. This process keep on happen until the reduce, error supposed to be reduced actually. Let me show you one small diagram. Algorithm understand, cost function understand. Once error is small actually, it will tell to stop the value. Good. First of all, please closely observe the diagram. It takes 1 or 2 minutes time actually. First point, we plotted the data. We plotted data. Then the next topic is called as a regression. What do you mean by regression? Draw a line over the data is called as a regression. Draw a line over the data is called as a regression. What is a linear regression formula? Y equals to mx plus c. A kind of, I'm taking here y equals to mx plus c. Sir, I'm repeating again that red line is called as a doing prediction. First time, did you notice actually m value and b value? Like when I'm hitting the mango, how I have changed speed value, how I have changed angle value. Slowly by slowly, I am reaching to the target. Same thing like this. In a linear regression also, by changing coefficient value and intercept value, that prediction will near to the data actually. Prediction is what exactly, sir? Near to the data. Once it is reaching here, then it will stop the training actually. Sir, as of now, according to the diagram, 200 iterations. How many? It can be 2 lakhs. It can be 20 lakhs. It can be 2 crores also. But error supposed to be minimal error. Error supposed to be minimal error actually. Here is the story. Computers, I mean to say that machine learning algorithm takes a lot of time to train the data actually. These are all back-end processor. Sir, best example, sir. Back-end, there is a one small formula, a kind of some, I can say, derivative. Yeah, derivative actually. ML algorithm, it will apply back-end derivative function. It will understand which best example. It will always compare with actual value and prediction value. Then it will get to know what is error actual. Go back to the especially residual. Am I right? Either it is a near or far. We can understand very clearly actually. Right? Let me repeat again. First of all, did you understand this diagram? Can you tell me m value and b value, what exactly happens, sir? Keep on changing. Now go back to the linear regression. You know how to capture coefficient value. You know how to capture intercept value. Don't think like, those are initial value. Those values keep on updated actually. Keep on updated, keep on updated, keep on updated. Once the error is small, then those coefficient and intercept value you can capture actually. That's what you need to be understand. This one is a process. It is happening in the behind. You don't need to be worried about this. Sir, Charan Garu, meeku ardhamayinda? Yeah, good. Online team, I need one response, man. Karim sir, exactly. Now let us read the theory. I have skipped the theory, right? I have skipped the theory. The point. These are optimization techniques. These are what techniques actually? Optimization techniques. These, I mean to say, cost function is not only one function, many cost functions would you have. Now let me tell you one by one actually. What is that one, Sir, I'm sure you already know. First point will be supervised regression. What is the first one? I'm sorry, supervised learning. What is the first one, sir? Supervised learning. First one, regression. The next one, classification. Regression having cost function, separate cost function. Okay. Classification also having separate classification. Classification also having separate cost functions actually. Separate, both are separate. Separate cost functions. Are you getting or not, sir? Now, regression cost functions. These are all mainly we are using in real time. The first one will be MSC. What is the first one? MSC, mean squared error. One more time, mean squared error. The next one will be take or MSC. I mean to say root mean squared error. Chaptara sir, root mean squared error. You can get the MSC and you can apply root simple. The last one is called as a MAE, mean absolute error. One more time, sir. Can you repeat everyone? These are all regression cost function. What is the first one? MSC, mean squared error, root mean squared error. The next one, mean absolute error. Mean absolute error. Now, today I wanted to tell you one small point. The point will be, error never be negative value. Error never be negative value. Negative value. Why it is not negative? Any idea? Exactly, boss. Why? Because look at the formula. Mean squared error. Imagine in case the error is the negative, back end it will apply square actual. The next one, here also square. Do you know the absolute meaning actual? Yeah, exactly. If you are giving, absolute, if you are giving a negative value, it will return positive value actually. That's what you need to be understand. So here is the point. Error never be negative. Error never be negative actually. Make a note on this. Okay. Yeah, these three are for regression. Classification separately we can see. Then you need to understand one topic. The topic name is called as a confusion matrix actually. I will cover. These are all. Accuracy, true positive value. I will cover. These are all things I will cover later actually. True negative. These are all. We'll see. These are all upcoming topic. We'll see, sir. Now here is the theory. There are many cost functions in machine learning. These are different cost functions. There are different cost functions for regression and what exactly mean? Classification. Both are different. Why cost functions in machine learning? Sir, why cost functions? During the training phase, the moment whenever you are calling fit method, what method? Sir, fit method, it is hiding the process in the backend. It is not showing us actually. But what is happening in the backend? Model assumes the initial weight. Go back to the model already started initializing the value. Those values will be coefficient value and those values will be intercept value. Right? It will start initializing initially 0 and 0. It will start apply over the formula. Go back, best example in a math, how to draw regression correlation formula. You can see actually this statement and that point having the relation actually. Make a note on this one, right? Initial weights randomly and tries to make the prediction on the training data. Tries to make prediction on what exactly? Now here I wanted to tell you. We thought like machine learning algorithm will do prediction after training the model actually. No, 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 no. The moment whenever you are calling fit method, during that time onwards, model will start doing prediction. Model will start doing what exactly, sir? Prediction. It will take the input actually. It will just hide the output and it will do the prediction. Prediction value it will give to whom? Cost function. Cost function will return back. That's it actually. The process keep on happening. The process keep on happening. Best example, sir. Can I tell you? Do you have a time? Cost function is guiding ML algorithm. ML algorithm to reduce the error. To reduce what exactly, sir? Error. Let me tell you. Let me take a Daniel. Sir, in my childhood, actually, think like I used to do automatically 100 mistakes actually. How many mistakes, man? 100 mistakes. I was very naughty guy. I used to hit that guy and I used to, beat like anything actually. Then even other guys also beat me actually. Automatically 100 mistakes. Then my father noticed these are all things actually. Then my father told, we should not do like that actually. And we have to be a good person. We have to respect the, others actually. These are all. Sir, mistakes slowly by slowly. Today I can say, I cannot say zero actually. Minimum two to, I'm sorry, 2 to 3 mistakes actually. What is that one, sir? 2 to 3 mistakes. Now talk with me. If you are doing 100 mistakes, very bad person. But 1 or 2 can I accept actually. Even I will tell you what is the 2 to 3. Exactly at before 1 p.m. My mother will call. She will ask, are you done lunch actually or not, sir? What I need to respond? Yeah, yes. Otherwise, 1,000 questions actually. Before one, we never finish the lunch at my home. That is one small mistake actually. That's what make a note on this one. Sir, machine learning algorithm also, initially it is having lot of mistakes. It is having the errors. And here for us, how our father is guiding, ML algorithm, who will guide sir? Cost function will guide actually. Make a note on this one. I'm sorry, it is a little theory, but interesting theory. Did you understand or not, sir? Yeah, good. Make a note on this. We are running out with the time. Maybe I can discuss this one tomorrow more actually. Sir, good news. Tomorrow we have a session. Tomorrow we have a session actually. I'm sorry, admin told I have to take the session. We'll continue tomorrow. We done today's session. Come again. R squared. Exactly, sir. When you're talking about R squared, back end that calculation, it will be happen automatically. Linear regression, it will call. Linear regression backend, it will call the correlation actually. Cost function is different, sir. Cost function is different actually. Cost function is, let me know how much error. To find the error, we need to apply the cost function actually. Regression is to find the relationship. To find what exactly relationship actually, okay? Now one small point will be, we done today's session. A little theory you need to walk through. You in the sense everyone. We'll connect tomorrow. Tomorrow we have a session. Maybe short session I can say. Let's keep my signature. All right. Yeah, you please thought that you take care about yourself. I will upload the material.